Hi, myself Arun. I joined Viva Money back in 2023 as a Telesales Team Lead. I come with overall 12 plus years experience in the industry, which includes 4 years of leadership roles. When I joined Viva Money, the challenges were significant. The product was not even launched, so we had to create everything from the scratch, like creating a call script based on the product or creating an SOP or other operational processes. We started with a team of 3 telesales agents covering 2 major states, which is Karnataka and Gujarat. Over the time, we have doubled our team and also we have expanded to 3 states with over 37,000 happy customers now. Key to our success is teamwork. So we collaboratively work together not only within the team but also with other departments to make sure we deliver best experience to our customers. It's been a challenging and exciting journey so far. So I'm looking forward to the further chapters. At Viva Money, we have a unique product which gives financial freedom for the customers for up to 51 days with zero interest. So which is a game changer in the industry. Our goal is to make credit easier and more accessible to the customers. We are growing fast and improving processes, and also we are expanding into new markets. Soon we plan to expand our business pan-India, which will bring financial flexibility to more customers across the country. One piece of advice I would give to future leader is to stay adaptable. So in startups, things change quickly. So you need to be ready to learn, adjust, and find solutions. The best leaders are not the ones who have all the answers, but who can move their team forward no matter what the challenges comes in their way. Thank you.